god. What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Your girl Ariana, that cute little brown girl, everybody with a little taste of. And today, guys, I'm here with another mukbang, talk bang, me just eating, doing the same thing type of vibe. Period. So, you guys like these apparently. Like when I'm telling you my business. You like when I'm chatting it up. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification, hit that thumbs up in the comment down below. See Mary all day, every day. But somebody has said that I should be eating more in mukbang. So I got me a Chick-fil-A salad, Cobb salad, no cheese, no egg, no bacon, extra chicken on the side. I got me a kids meal too. I got me a kids meal too because I'm starting my diet tomorrow. But I waited too late to eat this, so now they closed. But we're just gonna throw them in the oven a little later. So we're gonna go ahead and get started eating everything like that. I don't really have nothing specific that I'm talking about today. I was in my feelings today for sure, heavy in my feelings, but you know, I'm good now. I'm good. Put our cherry peppers on here. I'm going to go look at apartments tomorrow. These ones are completely different than the first ones that I went to go look at. You guys liked my vlogs, and if anybody's noticed, I have been consistent for a good 2 weeks. I don't post on Sundays, so I just don't. Sundays are my day. I try to not do any labor or anything on the Sabbath, but and it's been really doing really good. Even though on Sundays, I be wanting to get everything together because, you know, like, you trying to get ready for Monday. And like I said, I don't have nothing specific to talk about. So I'm probably going to title this video, My Random Shenanigans Mukbang. Because I'm just randomly chatting it up. That's all you gotta do. Ow! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! It's a tooth in there. It's broken or something. Smacking. This is so smacking. Okay, so the past couple of days, I've been up since like 4 a.m. in the morning. And let me see. What's an embarrassing story? Okay. Let me tell you about the time I got my first period. So, I was at my friend's house. I had to triple taste it to make sure I was correct to feel the way I was. I'm gonna still drink it, but no sugar added. Get 'em. But okay, I went to my friend's house. Her name was Sierra. I'm at her house. We chilling, everything. I'm like, something is a little off. I go home and it's like all this stuff in my panties, and I'm like, oh my god, what is this? I take the panties and I go inside of her house because she lived literally down the street. I'm in there and I put all this tissue in my pants. I just remember going to her house, changing my outfit. She literally, I'm probably like 12 houses. Like, we were on the same block. She was at the beginning of the street. I was at the end of the street. I just remember going home like, oh, I'll be back. And I had no idea what to do. So, you know, I did the tissue thing. Ladies, we know. And I just remember taking my panties off and I put them on top of the washing machine because I wasn't washing clothes. My mom was washing clothes. Like, not that day, but like my mom washes the clothes. And I remember writing my mom a note, and she was about to leave, and I just remember writing her a note, and I said, Mom, I left you a note when you, I left you a note. I don't know where I put the note. I just remember like writing the note somewhere, and on the note, I drew a picture of the dryer. I drew a picture of my underwear, and I drew I drew my blood stains inside of it. I'm so sorry if anybody's like, ew, TMI. But yeah, and so I remember my mom came back with like these super big pads and tampons. Tampons were not happening. I was not doing it. And then that was that. And she just kind of like told me like, you know, how to put them on, things like that. And that was my period. And then when I got my boobs, I just remember looking in the mirror, and of course, like, they were like not even existing yet, but my boobs were like uneven. I just remember calling her crying. I'm like, Mom, something's wrong. And she's like, what's wrong? And I'm like, my boobs are uneven. One is bigger than the other. And they were like crooked like this, but they had to be like this big, y'all. But I'm literally in the mirror like, and she's like, okay, I'll look at it when I come back. I'm kind of find out my boobs are growing. Okay, you know. My most embarrassing story as an adult with my most embarrassing lady story. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was in oh my goodness. I don't know if I should say it. Should I say it? Okay, so I was dating this guy, and me and this dude, like, you know what I'm saying, we're vibing, like, whatever. At this point, I feel like we're really comfortable with each other. And, oh my God, it's so embarrassing. It's not embarrassing because it's natural, but it was embarrassing for me because we haven't been in this situation before. And we're out of town, and I feel like we were maybe, like, in LA. We're out of town, whatever. And, hold on, let me take a few bites. I need to chew before I think about this. I'm about to say this all out. I'm grabbing. If you don't like smacking, I would not advise you to watch this video. That's what I am talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta put that polynesian in there. Put some warmth in there. Scrape it out. So, we're laying in the bed, and we actually were sharing a room with a whole nother couple too. So there's two beds, we're in our bed, and I just remember going to sleep, a regular smuggler, and I woke up. You know, ladies, like, you know, like, you did not, you know, but you don't know, but it's like something clicked, like you're in a hotel, these are white sheets, get up, or just go check. I get up, I go to the bathroom, and mind you guys, like, I don't sleep with clothes on, and so I don't sleep with no clothes on or anything, because it's my boyfriend. Like, I'm not sleeping with no clothes on, like, I'm natural, like, let me free. I'm laying in the bed, y'all. When I say I'm laying there, I get up, I go to the bathroom, I'm like, you know, I put a little shirt on, whatever. The other couple, they sleep. I'm like, okay, nobody's gonna see me. It's pitch dark. I go to the bathroom, hit the light, I'm like, oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh no. Stay calm, stay calm. So I'm like, do I get in the shower now, or do I tell him? Because if this looks crazy, what does it look like out there? So I go back. I go back to the bed, and I'm like, babe. Not a morning person. Babe, I had an accident. And so he's looking at me like, what are you talking about? He's like, okay, babe, go back to bed. I'm like, no, I had an accident. And if you look at the bed, my whole side is, I'm talking about, somebody murdered me. So I was literally stabbed 87 times. I'm like, he's laying there, and I lift up the sheets because, like, I'm talking to him, but you know, I'm like you know what I'm saying, like, the cover's down, he's right here, and I'm like, babe, he's like, you know, I'm like, look, he's like, oh my God, are you okay? He's like, oh my God, are you okay? I'm like, yeah, babe. I'm just letting you know because I don't want you to roll in it. And he's like, this came from, he's looking at me like, you could see like this came from you. But this is when I knew this was a moment like I was like, how is he gonna handle this? So I think it's gonna be like disgusting. Oh my God. Right after, which made me feel so much better, he was just like, okay. And he got up, he took the sheets off, and I'm not gonna say like, oh, he took them and he washed them. No, he took them, he threw them in the corner and said, I'll get it in the morning. He said, are you okay? Do you need help with anything? I'm like, no, I'm just gonna take a shower and change and stuff. And I always bring stuff with me anyway, because you just never know, ladies. Like, you think you got a system, you got the chart, you got the app. Your body does when it wants to do when it does. So whenever I go on a trip and I'm not at my own home, I always bring extra stuff. It's in my purse, it's a backup. At least one or two, at least is enough for that night. So that way the next day, like, I can go in the morning and get what I need. So, you know, I thought that was so cute. Like, I was like, you know, I was having like a really like a, God, is he the one moment? Because I was like, that is so freaking cute. Like, he got up and he's like, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, he laid back in the bed. I thought he would be disgusted with me. But no. He laid back in the bed and he's like, you know, I'll take care of it in the morning. Do you need anything? Da-da-da. I go in the shower, take my shower, get ready, and then I get back in the bed and we go back to sleep. But now I got pants on. I got my boy shorts on. They're all tight. Don't move. These ain't going nowhere. And that's like one of my like most recent, like my most recent embarrassing stories. Like that was like around another person. And then I just remember like in high school, not high school, I think it was middle school. I don't know what grade it was. First time ever. I'm talking about like ever wearing white pants. I keep forgetting how nasty this is. Ugh. First time wearing white pants ever, y'all. When I say your girl in class, I literally go to the bathroom like something ain't right. And these my like my capri shorts. Go to the bathroom, I had to do the same thing. I'm in there, but like I'm like crying because I'm so embarrassed. Like, who do I go to for a tampon? Like, are other girls doing this too with their bodies, or am I freaking broken? What is happening right now? So the whole entire day, and I tried to do the tissue thing, and it seemed like it was getting worse. I tried to go to the bathroom on our breaks, things like that. And I just remember like getting a hoodie that I luckily had in my closet, in my locker. And from that day, just to like side note, from that day forward, I've always had a hoodie or something with me, and I always wear like dark clothes or anything like that when it's around that time. If I'm aware, anything like that, you're not gonna catch me slipping. That's when I started wearing my cheer shorts under, not my cheer shorts, my cheer briefs, the ones you wear under your cheerleading skirt, because them things is, that's like a girdle. You keep them things in place. Your panties are not moving. The pad is staying still. All of that. So I remember that whole day, like I literally was like what is it, free bleeding on myself the whole day, because there was nothing I could do. My mom couldn't come. I don't even think I probably had a phone at this time, or you couldn't have phones in classrooms. Like, they was real strict. Like, there was nothing I could possibly do. I was so embarrassed. I just remember like trying to do the tissue thing, and I couldn't wait to get home. I'm on the bus, like I got, you know, this hoodie around tight on my waist. I'm super scared. Like, what if I freaking bleed on these desks? You know, the desks like with the slippy slide seats. Like, what am I gonna do? I was like literally so paranoid and insecure that whole day. Like, I didn't want to talk to nobody. I didn't want to do anything. And so that's just how that entire whole day went. I went home, took a shower, and I just threw the pants away, because what the heck am I about to do? And I just cried that whole night. I was so embarrassed. I was like, what if somebody see me? And like, why? And I was so mad. I just remember saying like, I hate being a girl. I freaking hate being a girl. And those are my white jeans. I thought it was so cute that I came in. I thought I was killing the game. But only thing that was dying was me. So there's some embarrassing lady stories. Like a little fun fact about me. A little inside my life type of vibe. Yeah, well, I gotta tell you about the time I was talking to 3 boys at the same time in high school, and I was a freshman, and all of them, well, 2 of them were seniors, and 1 of them was a junior, and they was on me. They wanted me. They wanted me. And one of them, I was like kind of a side chick, but I didn't know I was a side chick. But then I found out that I was a side chick and was okay with being a side chick. It was a lot going on. If y'all want to hear that story, definitely I will tell y'all, because I went to Ohio and just, I don't even know what happened to me. I changed. I freaking changed. It was like, oh yeah, the boys are here. They might like me, but they want to talk to me. To like, these people are the same color as me. They like the same. We got a lot in common. I'm a little off with stuff. Still haven't seen Friday. Do not judge me. But I'm like, okay. Okay. All right. Went in there. Freshman year was so amazing. Anyway, this was a random little mukbang video for today. I know y'all probably waiting for my skit to be continued. It's been chaotic with them, y'all. Chaotic. If you know, then you know. But them girls are. We got a lot of stuff to work on, so. But they'll be back this week. Also, tomorrow, you guys probably going to be having another late upload, because I'm going to go be looking at more apartments. So tomorrow will definitely be a vlog, but it's going to probably be late. And I know y'all probably like, why do we keep getting these late uploads? I just want y'all to know that the way, like, the stuff that I'm doing throughout the day, and just a lot of stuff just be happening, and me trying to, like, you know, make sure I'm planning everything out the way for the future content. This content right now, it's just getting me, like, back in the balance of finding, you know, getting my passion back, and just finding my rhythm again, where maybe one day, if it's in God's plan to post multiple and earlier, of course, it's on the to-do list. But right now, I'm just thankful for everybody that's been supportive of, no matter what time the upload's happening, this is support. I'm so proud of you, Ariana, for being consistent. I didn't think we would get to this point. This is the most consistent I have been in almost oh, little letters flew back. The most consistent I've been in almost, what, like some years, I feel like. Is that a force? Because normally I'm like, I post for maybe like 7 days, but never to the point where I'm working on my 3rd week. And I'm just excited. I'm genuinely, like, I'm blessed. God is definitely doing some changes in me. I definitely just be all over the place, like, oh my goodness, this is so nasty. Oh. But yeah, I'm just super thankful for everybody that's just been supportive of this process with me, just vibing out with the kids. But all I know is that everybody that's watching this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Airi all day, every day. If you didn't know, now you know. I love you guys. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. And I'm out of here.